log a to the x equals s and log a to the y equals t, then log a to the xy squared equals. Okay, so this is a seemingly challenging problem, but if you know your logarithm properties, it's actually pretty easy. So there are two properties that we need to know in this case. One is the exponential property. So the exponential property of logarithms states essentially that log a to the xy squared is the same thing as 2 log a to the xy. Okay, so essentially what we did over here is we took this exponent and we put it in front of log a to the xy. Kind of like taking a derivative, but not exactly. If you don't know what a derivative is, don't worry, that's calculus. Okay, so all we did was we took our exponent and we put it in front of our logarithm. That is the exponential property of logarithms. All you got to do is take this exponent and put it in front of the logarithm. Okay, and now we're going to approach our product property of logarithms. Our product property. I'm just going to abbreviate it. And by the product property of logarithms, we can get this. Log a to the x, y. So we're taking the logarithm of a product. This is the same as the logarithm of one element, or log a to the x, plus the logarithm of another element, or log a to the y. Now remember, we're trying to find what 2 log a x y equals. And that's essentially 2 times log a. If I could write better, that would be nice. a to the x plus log I've got to get myself a handwriting tablet. A to the y. Now, remember that we have log a to the x equals s and log a to the y equals t. So this is the same thing as saying 2 times s plus t. And the correct answer is A. If okay, so what did we do? Essentially, we used the exponential property of logarithms to simplify log a xy squared to 2 log a xy. And then we used the product property of logarithms to simplify even further. We took 2 log a xy and simplified log a xy into log a x plus log a y. So remember, by the exponential property, all you do is take down the exponent and put it in front of the logarithm. And by the product property of logarithms, all you do is the product equals the sum of the logarithms of each element, in this case log a x plus log a y. And we took that and we broke it down. 2 log a x of xy equals 2 log a to the x plus log a to the y. Okay, and we remembered that log ax equals s and log ay equals t, and we substituted those values in for log ax and log ay. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, as always, email me at debarshikun20@gmail.com, debarshikun0@gmail.com. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and comment. Thank you.